Wanted Boys is the first in an adult dystopian series that's really about these rigid, oppressive systems that classify everything that falls outside the norm as something wrong that should never have existed. And so I wanted to maintain a very simple grayscale aesthetic, very clean and crisp and militaristic. And so much of the story is about how to be human when these inhumane systems around you are constantly dehumanizing you. So I illustrated the hands on the cover in this very abstract way so they seem to be kind of melting into the gray of the systems around them. But those hands also represent the hope of the story. It is, at the end of the day, a love story where people are clinging to each other and offering each other a hand up out of this darkness. And you get that hint of the way that growing up within these systems might eventually make you part of it in the blood on those hands.